Dreaming of the fjords, the northern lights, and the cozy hygge lifestyle? You're not alone. Many people want to move to Norway, and it might be easier than you think. Today I'm breaking down the simple steps to get you there, so grab a cup of coffee and let's plan your big move. First things first, you need a reason to be there. For most people, this means getting a work permit. Norway has a strong job market, especially in tech, engineering, and healthcare. Start by polishing your resume and hitting up job sites like Finn.no and Nav website. The key is to secure a job offer before you apply for residency. Your future job employer will be your biggest ally in the application process, helping with the paperwork. Once you have that job offer in hand, it's time to apply for a residence permit. You'll do this through the Norwegian Directorate of Immigration, or the UDI. Their website is your new best friend. It has checklists for every type of permit, whether it's for work, study, or joining a family member. Be smart here. Gather all your documents, your passport, the job contract, educational certificates, and anything else they ask for. Submit your application online and then book an appointment at the nearest Norwegian embassy or consulate to hand in your documents and the biometrics. After you've submitted everything, the waiting game begins. This can take a few months, so be patient while you wait. It's a great time to start planning the practical side of your move. Look into housing options. Sites like Hybel.no are great for rentals. Start learning some basic Norwegian phrases. While most Norwegians speak excellent English, knowing the local language will make your life so much easier and help you integrate into the community. Once your permit is approved, congratulations! You can now book your flight to Norway. When you arrive, you'll need to register with the local police within 7 days to get your residence card. Then you'll register with the National Population Register to get your Norwegian identification number. This number is crucial for everything from opening a bank account to getting a phone plan. Moving to a new country is a huge adventure, and Norway is an incredible place to call home. It can take some planning, but by following these steps, you can make your dream a reality. I hope this helped you to get started on your journey, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if these tips were any helpful.